Okay, because I don't have a really good topic idea for today, I thought I would just do the old default gear video. They're really kind of fun to do. You guys know I enjoy doing them. I'm gonna recycle one for you. You guys remember this thing? This Hill People Gear kit bag. I've had this thing for probably the better part of a little over 10 years. And it is my absolute go-to. When I'm in the woods, this thing's on my body. If I'm hiking, it's on me. If I'm on my bike, it's on me. If I'm out running, this thing is on me. I mean, it goes everywhere. And it's incredibly durable. And that's the thing that really, that's the thing that attracts me to a lot of gear like this, is that it's very purpose driven and it's built to last. You are going to be hard pressed to damage this thing unless you intentionally try to damage it by, like, you know, slicing it with a knife or a pair of scissors or something. Now, I'll tell you, these little retainers, they wear out over time. The elasticity will go away over time, but it's not that big of a deal. Yeah, this little runner's kit made by Hill People Gear, I'll put the links below, has been awesome. And those of you who've been on the various iterations of my channel know about this thing, have seen me talk about it. Yeah, it's really great. It's got a pouch up front here, so you can put spare magazines, your phone, your keys, notepads, whatever. It's a great little compartment. This is the runner's kit, and it's designed to wear when you're running, but you can obviously adapt it to pretty much any kind of application that you desire. And on the inside, it's got a little pull apart, right? And that's where that lives. There you go. So I thought I'd share it with you and let you know that I still got it and I still use it like all the time. And I love it. It's great. Another piece of gear that I use all the time. Hang on. This guy right here, the Core belt. This is actually my first one. And I don't know if you remember that. This thing's probably, I had to go back and look at the timestamps of when I did these videos. I think I got this one 7-8 years ago. Does it sound about right? I think so. Anyways, it's a little worse for wear. It's got some wear and tear on it. It's got a little bit of contouring just from me wearing it, but the rigidity is absolutely like the day I got it. And it's great. It's ratcheting. And it's super strong, and it does exactly what I want it to do. It holds my firearm retention system, my holster, and it does it very well. Yeah, Core belts. I will also put the link down below for this. Yeah, again, this is just the fun gear video that I wanted to do today, just to have a little talk with you guys and hopefully get some views, because I know this is the kind of stuff that people typically like on channels that are like this. So Hill People Gear, runner's kit, use it all the time, and the Core belt. Tools, not jewels. They're meant to be worn, they're meant to be used, and as you can tell, they're meant to last. This thing is going to last probably another 10 years, if I had to guess. I have one on also. I've got a OD green, same belt, but just a different color version of this. And I rotate them, so then I don't completely wear one out, but you're not going to wear these things out. Yes, will they get a little beat up? Will they get a little bit of cosmetic wearing? Yeah, but you know what? Who cares? These things they're purpose driven. If you want, and then, okay, here's the other thing. Here's the other thing. So if you go to Core Belt, you can get their dress belts. They're great. So if you want to carry concealed when you're dressed nice, you get a nice dress belt. It also has the ratcheting feature like this. And you put it on with your nice clothes and it looks great. People are none the wiser. There you go. Yeah, these things are pretty awesome. So there's the Core belt and there's the runner's kit. That's all I got for you today. Wanted to share this with you, let you know that I still have this gear and I still use it all the time. And let's see, where are we at here? Is it let me see the date today. Today, oh, it's the 17th. Oh, time on deck is 13:54. The trails open up in Capitol Forest here pretty soon, May 1st. So I will be throwing my gear on and going for some adventures up in the woods. And I'm going to take you guys with me. We'll go check some stuff out, get the drone in the air, maybe put together some cool little gee whiz videos just for fun, some music and all that kind of stuff. See you guys soon. Got lots to talk about. I've unpacked some things. I hope you enjoyed the video yesterday. We're going to expound on that stuff a little bit more. All right, have a good weekend. See you guys.